Y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm not playing.
Ow! I'm gonna take a bite with y'all. I'm gonna take a bite with y'all, okay? I'm gonna take a bite. I'm a little sad right now. I haven't really talked to my man or seen him in a couple days. But I'm at Sprouts. Tell me why you decided to park right next to me when you could have parked. Look at this car right here. He could have went anywhere. Hold on. He could have went any one of these spaces. Any one of these spaces. Even back there. But you parked your ass right here. And people just want to be close to you. I swear to God. I swear to God. We don't follow the 6 feet rule no more. You know, COVID's over, so fuck that. Just a quick little bun. We're about to walk in the Sprouts. I'm just getting a couple things, okay? Like $50 worth of stuff, and that's it. Like, I'm not spending no more than $50. We spent $66.53. I want to get some juices to drink. I actually should just buy the stuff to juice, but I ain't got time. That cleanup process is insane. And just doing it takes time. You gotta cut it. Oh my God, it's whew. But yeah, let's get up in here because I got work at 2 o'clock. I just want to get up here and go. I might not even record while I get inside. I might just, I don't know. You'll see.
All right, y'all. Obviously, I didn't vlog while I was inside, but I got the goodies. Honestly, there was just a lot going on. In that stuff. The workers were everywhere. Like, it just wasn't a vlogging type situation. And I didn't really know what I was getting. Like, I was just going in there like, okay, we're not spending no more than $50. And we're just getting stuff like, I just want some juice or something just to cleanse my body. I've been eating chicken fingers and fries, okay? And all right. But we spent $66.53. Ow! $66.53. But I'm not gonna be spending no money on fast food. None at all. I'm not gonna buy no Wait, I'm gonna buy coffee one time. One time this week. I got me a sandwich. A little turkey, multi-grain sandwich. Ooh. Ooh. She put mustard on that, okay? With some provolone, some turkey, obviously, some lettuce, some tomato, some mayonnaise. Boom. I got me some granola because, of course, without the granola, okay, yogurt and granola with some strawberries. I got strawberries too. That's a nice little quick healthy snack, good protein. I got this Mediterranean orzo and feta salad. I've had this before. This gonna be busting. That's gonna be lunch or dinner one day. This a herb, tuna, and cucumber multi-grain sourdough baguette. It don't say sourdough, but baguette. Yeah, we're gonna have that one day. Boom. I've had these. I love tuna. Herb tuna salad with some grapes, cheese, and what's this? Pretzels. Yummy dum dum. And this is what I'm gonna be drinking on. The cold press. This got orange, grapefruit, ginger, and lemon. And then this one got orange, apple, mango, pineapple, and Aracela. I don't know what that says. Acerola. I don't know. I shouldn't have got this. That's probably why my total, because this was like $6, $7. Ooh! This is heaven on earth. Jalapeno cheddar chopped bread. Baby, stop playing. And then I got these chips. Yeah, because I'm gonna eat these chips with this. I'm gonna take a bite with y'all. I'm gonna take a bite with y'all, okay? I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. Hold on. I got one more thing. I promise y'all I'm not eating out all week, okay? Oh, I showed you I got strawberries. They're in there. I'm not gonna pull it out. But I got this mango lemonade probiotic tea. I've never had the mango lemonade, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be busting. I'm actually gonna drink this while I'm at work, so I'm gonna save this. Yeah, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna drink this now. What time is it? I don't even got the car on or nothing. All right, it's 12:05. I got time. I'm about to take a bite. Mmm. 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 She was real generous with the sauce. Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. Wait, hold on. Wait. This is vegan avocado oil, okay? Dairy-free potato chips. Hold on. Hold on, my man coming. I'm dressed. I'm ready for work. I'm eating the bread, the jalapeno and cheddar bread from Sprouts.
I'm so greedy. I just had to get me a piece before I went to work. I love bread, potatoes, and cheese. Like, that's my weakness.
With my Stanley. This is what I'm gonna drink instead of coffee, but I am gonna get coffee. Just not today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm not playing. This is good. I might drink all this. This is good. With my Stanley. All right.